Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for grade 1 or class 1, the mathematics lesson number 2, exercise unit number 2, that is number up to 9. Okay, today I am going to teach number up to 9. Okay, so these writing numbers from 1 to 100 you are familiar with in your previous class UKG. Let's make a revision of it. Let's start. Count the object, trace the number, trace and write the correct number in each box. Count the objects, trace and write the correct number in each box. Just what you do is, here one object, write one number, trace here, write again. Number of objects 2, write number 2, trace the number 2, then write number 2. Okay, then here number of objects are 3, 1, 2, 3, trace the number 3, write the number 3 here. Number of objects here are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, trace on 4, again trace on 4 here and write number 4. Okay, and here number of objects are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, trace on 5, write 5. Here number of objects are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, trace on 6, write number 6, write number 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, trace the number on number 7, write the number 7 here. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, trace on the number 8, write the number here. Here next is number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, trace on 9 and write the number 9. Okay, any doubts? Just simply what all things you did in your previous class, that is UKG, the same thing is repeated here. Just tracing on or counting the number of objects, tracing the number and writing the number. 1, trace on 1, write 1 here and 1 again. Number of objects are 2, trace on 2, write number 2, Next is number of object 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, trace on 3, number 3, then number 3 here. Okay, next is 1, 2, 3, 4, trace on number 4 and now write the number 4 here. Will you do it? Very good. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, trace number 5, write number 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, trace on number 6, again, write the number 6 here, write the number 6 here again. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, write 7th number here and write 7 again the number. Right, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trace sound number 8. Trace sound number 8 again. Write the number 8. Write the number 8. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Write the number 9. Trace on the number 9. And write the number 9 here. So this is number up to 9. Okay. Good. Next is, let's read. Let's read. So what all you can see here? You can see here fruit stall. You can see a fruit stall here. You can see a fruit stall, right? Rahul and Tina can count number up to 9. They can able to count number up to 9. Okay. Hey Tina, here in the shop, fruit stall. Here in the fruit stall, this fruits and vegetables here, right? Fruits and vegetable stall. Hey Tina, see there. There are 4 mangoes and 3 pineapples. 4 mangoes and 3 pineapples. Yes, Rahul, I can also see 2 oranges. I can also see 2 oranges. And 5 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pears. Okay. Next. Well, children, you know counting of numbers. You know counting of numbers. The mom says, yes, children. Well, children, you know counting of numbers. Okay. Next is, let's practice counting of numbers. Let's practice counting of numbers up to 9 and then learn more about numbers. Counting of numbers up to 9, then learn more about numbers. Here is exercise number 2.1. Here is exercise number 2.1. Shall we start? Shall we start? Okay. So here, count and match. Exercise number 201, count and match. So here number of objects are 2, the matched with 2. One example they did, remaining we have to do. Shall we? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the 5 here? Yes, of course, this is 5. This is 5. This is number 5. And next set of objects are 1, 2, 3. Where is the 3? Here is the 3. Just what we do is just match to the number of objects to its number. Okay. Next are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is the number 9? Yes, here. Here is the number 9. Okay, here is the number 9. Next, here number of objects are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just we need to match to its number of objects. Okay, next here is 1, only 1. So you need to match this to this. Okay, so next check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is number 8. We need to match with 8. Okay, shall we? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. This is number 4. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is number 7. Match with it. Yes. Very good. We done it. Right? We have done it. Clear? This is how we need to count and match. Hope you guys can do, because in UKG we did many activities based on this counting and matching. So next is count and color the correct number of different types of cakes. Count and color the different number of different types of cakes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On which number we have to color? On which number we have to color? On which number we have to color? We have to color on the number 3, 4, 7. We have to color on 3. Right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On which number we have to color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of objects are 5. On which number we have to color? On 5. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the number 6 we need to color. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of cakes are 9 here in this group. We need to color on the 9. Here number of cakes equal to 1. We need to color the number 1. We need to color the number 1. Okay. We have to color on the number 1. Okay. So here on this we have to color on 3. Here we have to color on 5. Here we have to color on 6. Here we have to color on 9. Here we have to color it on 1. 1. Right? So this we done. Right? This we did. Next is when there is none. When there is none means 0. Nothing. When there is none, that means nothing. That is 0. Let's learn. You have learnt in the UKG class. Let's repeat this. Mother gave 4 toffees. Mother gave 4 toffees to Rohan. Toffees, right? To Rohan. Rohan ate 2 toffees and gave 2 to his brother Anuj. How many toffees does Rohan have now? Yes, you are right. He has none. He has none. So shall I tell you with some example? Here I gave you 4 crayons. Here I gave you 4 crayons. Right? You gave 2 crayons to your brother. You gave 2 crayons to your sister. How many are with you now? How many are with you now? Nothing. Right? That is 0. You had 4 crayons earlier. 2 crayons you gave to your sister and 2 crayons you gave to your brother. Okay? 2 crayons you gave to your brother. How many were remained with you? Nothing. That is called 0. That is called 0. Followed? Right. So next is the same thing. Yes, you are right. He has none. The Rohan is not having any toffees because he ate 2 toffees and 2 to his brother Anuj. How many toffees does Rohan have now? Yes, you are right. He has none. Or we can say that he has 0 toffees. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 0 stands alone. It doesn't have any value. It doesn't have any value. The 0 which comes before the number, then also 0 doesn't have any value. For example, 0 when stands alone, before 2 I write 0. The 0 doesn't having any value. If you write If you write 1, 0, it will become 10. It will become 10. The value of 0 when it comes after the number, then only the 0 is having a value. Alright? Let's learn in coming classes. Don't bother about it. Just focus. The 0 stands alone, or before any number, it doesn't have any value. Or you can say that he has no toffee. He has 0 toffees. 0 pronounced as this round circle, egg-shaped circle is pronounced as 0. 0 means nothing. Right? 0 means nothing. Right? You can practice writing 0. Just trace the number 0 here. Just trace the number 0 here. Trace 0. Write 0 here again. Right? This is number 9. Right? Right? So this is 0. Okay? Right. So look at these objects. Look at the pictures. Can do more activity based on 0. More activity based on 0. Okay? Here. Now, look at the following pictures to understand 0 better. Look at the following pictures to understand 0 better. A basket with 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many eggs are there in the basket? 6 eggs. A basket with 6 eggs. Here, a basket with 0 eggs means empty. Nothing. Right? Nothing. A basket with 0 eggs. Right? Here, 4 fish in an aquarium. 4 fish in an aquarium. Here, no fishes. Here, no fish. 0 fish in an aquarium. 0 fish in an aquarium. Right? Next is 4 pencils. 4 pencils in a box. In the box. 0 pencils in the box. 0 pencils in the box. Okay? Next is 8 flowers in a vase. 8 flowers in a vase. Here, 0 flowers in a vase. Okay? Alright. Like this, you can do many objects. For example, you had 5 chocolates with you. You had 3 chocolates, and you gave 2 chocolates to me. Then how many chocolates with you? None. Means 0. Like this, you can practice with your brother or sister. Alright? So this is let's learn number names. Number names. You know, writing number names up to 100. But still we go in easiest way of learning, very slow way of learning, right? Learn better. Right? So know that we know the numbers from 0 to 9. Let us learn their names. Count and write the correct number of objects. Trace the number names. So here we have to trace the number names like 0, ZERO 0, ONE 1, TWO 2, THRW 3, like that. Okay? Here no objects means none. None means 0. None means 0. Right? None means 0. ZERO 0. ZERO 0. ZERO 0. Just spell and read and write. Next, 1. 1. O N E 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Okay. Next objects, number of objects are 2. Write numeral 2. Numeral means number. Number 2. Then write spelling as T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. So here number of objects are 3. Write 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. This write numeral 4 and its number name is 4. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. Alright. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write numeral 6. Number name as SIX 6. SIX 6. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes. E V E N 7. Yes. E V E N 7. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numeral 8. E I G H T 8. E I G H T 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Numeral 9. 9. N I N E. N I N E 9. Okay. So likewise you write number from 0 to 9 and number names for 0 to 9. Okay. Good. Hope you do it very easily. Okay. Alright. Exercise number 2.2. 2.2. Exercise number 2.2. 2.2. Right? Exercise number 2.2. Let's do. Count the dots. Count the dots. Write the number and number name. Write the number here and number name here. How many dots are here? See, we must read the instructions, headings, what to do, how to do. Exercise 2.2 state that count the dots. Count the dots. Write the number and number name. Write the number and number name. Here 1, 2, 2. Here spelling is T W O 2. T W O 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4. Spelling as F O U R. 4. Write 1, 2, 3. Number 3. Write the spelling as T H R E E 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numeral 5 and write F I V E 5. Hope you can do it very easily. Right? This is doing some exercises. So I read number 2 here. Dots 2 here. Write 2 number. Write number name. 4 dots. Write 4. Number name 4. 3 dots. 3 number. Number name is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Number name. Okay. Next is counting forward. Counting forward. Count the stars. Write the number and names. Number and names. What to do? What do you observe? The number of stars becomes more as we count forward. As we count forward. The number of stars here in the picture. As we count on, the numbers of objects will move forward. Right? Here is 1. Here it is 0, none. Here is 1 star, 2 stars, right? 2 numeral here and number name. As you count forward, the number of stars increases, becomes more. So just we have to do this activity. So here 0, nothing is here, 0 stars, right? Numeral 0, number name 0. Here 1 star, 1 more star to 0, 1 more star to 0, that is 1, only 1. 1 more star to 1, it will become 2. 1 more star, see 1, here 1, 1 more star, that is 2. Number name 2. Here 1, 2, 3, right? 3. 1 more star. Here earlier there were 2. Now 1, 2. Now we added 1. Again it will become 1, 2, 3. 3. As we count forward, the number of stars increases. Number of stars becomes more. Here 1, 2, 3 earlier. We have added 1 more star. That is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 1 more star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. 1 more star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 more star. That is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 1 more star. This is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay? This is called counting forward. This is called counting forward. So next example for you is counting backward. Counting from 9 to 1, 9 to 0. 9 to 1 or 9 to 0. Okay? Next, counting backward means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's called counting backward. Okay? That's called counting backward. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's called counting backward. What happens when you count backward? Look at here. As we counted backward, forward we have counted. We can count backward also. Backward, wapas, the reverse order. How? Let's count the stars again. Let's count the stars again. Write the numbers and number names. You will see that the star become less, one less, like that. As we count backward. So Okay, so look at here in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So here, as we count backward, we are going to get one less star. One less star. Okay? We are going to get one less star. Alright? See, here 9 stars, 9, 9. Here 1 less to 9, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. 1 less star is 8. EIGHT 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 less star is 7. SEVEN 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 less star is 6. SIX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. FIVE 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 less star 4. FOUR. 1, 2, 3. 1 less star 3. THREE. 1, 2. 1 less star 2. TWO2. Here 1 less star, this is 1. This is ONE1. This is 1 less star, nothing. 1 less star, 0. Nothing means 0. ZERO. ZERO, 0. ZERO, 0. Okay? Followed? Alright, that's good. So here in this activity we got familiar with counting forward and backward, and we got familiar with numbers from 0 to 9, number name from 0 to 9. Then we came to know what is 0. Then we got familiar with counting and writing numeral as well as number name. Now we have got familiar with counting forward and counting backward. Okay, now let's learn more about just before and just after. What is before and what is after? What is before and what is after? Shall I give you an example? When you are standing in your queue, you are standing for a prayer, you make a queue, you make a line, right? In that line, you are faced towards the teacher, that is teacher. From that you need to count, that is counting forward. Alright, so in front of you, that is before. Backside of you, that is after. In front of you who is standing and back to you who is standing, that is in front of you. In front of you is before, and what backside who is standing, that is called after. That's called after. Alright. So in the same sense, when you are standing in a queue to get into the school bus, you formed a line, you formed a queue, get into the school bus, and who is standing in front of you is a before, who is standing in front of you is before, and who is standing after you is called after. After, right? So for example, I can say, so I'll give in future these many more examples. Let's get familiar with this first. Just before, just after, and in between. In between. You stand between before and after. The what you are standing is called in between. What you are standing is called in between. I'll explain. So here are A, B, C. Here are alphabet A, B, C, right? A, B, C. This is sequential order. Or B, A, C like that. Is it correct? No, it is A, B, C only, right? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. The teacher has written the letters on the blackboard. Look at the picture. The teacher has written the letters, means alphabets, on the blackboard. We can see that A comes just before B. A comes just before B. C comes just after B. Just after B, C comes. Before A comes before B, C comes after B. After B. Okay. A comes just before B, C comes after B. And B lies in between. B is between A and C. B is between A and C. B is between A and C. Right? B lies in between A and C. So we can say just before. A is just before, B is in between. B is in between. B is in between. A is just before and C is just after. And B is between A and C. Just before, A just before, B in between, C just after. Just after. Okay? So let's see. Now we will work similarly with numbers. We will work similarly with numbers. Let us consider 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Number 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 and 3. 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4. 2 comes just before 3. 2 comes before 3. This is before number. Okay. 4 comes after 3. This is after number. And 3 lies in between 2 and 4. And 3 lies in between 2 and 4. 2 and 4 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is called in between. ಇದು ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಅದಾದ ನಂತರದ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂತರ, ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಂತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಲೋಡ್? ರೈಟ್. Next is right. It will be easier if you see your ruler to understand this better. It will be easier if you see the ruler to understand this better. You know ruler, scale. That's called scale we used to call. That's called ruler. Okay. So here, this is the ruler. This is the ruler. Okay, same ruler here. So you have a number strip here. Here it is a number strip. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Up to 9 we have learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright? So what comes before and what comes after? We have to work on that. That's very easy. Before 2, 1 will come. After 2, 3 will come. Before 5, 4 will come. After 5, 6 will come. Before 8, 7 will come, and after 8, 9 will come. Okay? Before 5, 4 will come, and after 6, 5 comes in between. 5 comes in between. This is 2. Before 1, after 3, and in between, this is 2. This is 4. Before 3, after 5, and in between it is 4. In between it is 4. So this is called the ruler or the scale, right? So here the same example has been explained here. It will be easier if you see the ruler to understand this better. So this is before 5, 4, before, after 5, this after any number. This is 5. This portion is called before and this portion will be called after. Okay. For example, look at the number 5 on the roller. 6, 7, 8, 9 comes after, and after 5, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 comes before 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will comes before 5. After 6, 7, 8, 9 will comes after. Okay guys, right. So we can also use the number strip, which is like your roller. This is number strip. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called number strip. This is called number strip. Okay. Alright. Now we'll do exercise number 2.3. Exercise number 2.3. Look at each set of numbers, number strip. Circle the number given in the box. Given in the box above. Box above. Now write the number just before and just after the circle. Just before and after the circle. One has been done for you. So here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called number strip. Here the number is given. This number is written here 7, 8, 9. This 7 is before 8, 9 is after 8, and 8 lies between 7 and 9. Between 7 and 9. Okay. Next is, now write number 6 in the circle. In the above given number, we have to write middle. Then this is 6. Right? This is 6. We have to write here. Next, we have to write just before number is 5. Just after number is 7. Just after number is 7. Okay. So in this exercise, again the few more examples were given. Number 4 here. This we have to circle the number 4. Okay. This we have to write here. And we have to write just before number is 3. Just after number is 5. And 4 lies between 3 and 5. Okay. Now this activity is again just the number 7. And write the number 7 here and find the before number. Just before number is 6 and just after number is 8. Before number is 6, after number is 8, and between 6 and 8, 7 lies. 7 lies. Okay. Any doubts? I'm sure that you are going to enjoy this, doing this activity. Alright. Second, look at each set. What comes in between the given number? What comes between given number? 7 and 9. 7, 8, 9. In between 8 will come. 5, 7. 5, 6, 7. 6 which will come in between. Then 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. This 4 you have to write it here. Next is 2, 3, 4. 3 you have to write. Then 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7 you write. The before the number in your textbook, after the number in your textbook. Okay. Write the number that comes after in your book. See here page number 67. This book, page number 67. What comes after 67 is, sorry, I can't do that, right? This number from 0 to 9. I'll explain later. Write the number that comes after is 5, 6. 1, 2, 7, 8. 4. Here it is before number. Write the number that comes before. Write the number that comes before. Here 4, 3, 9, 8, 9. Just before the number. Before number. Before 5, 4 will come. Before 5, 4 will come. Okay. So like this we can do this number activity from 0 to 9. Okay guys, we got familiar with writing number from 0 to 9. Writing number from 0 to 9. Okay, and counting writing number names and counting from forward, counting backward, knowing the 0 means none, and writing before number, after number, and between number. Alright, so here some tokens, coins are here. So now let's arrange them in forward order. This is 1. This is numeral 1, and next is numeral 2. Next is numeral 2. This is numeral 3. This is numeral 4. And this is numeral 5. This is numeral 5. This is 6. This is numeral 6. This is 7. No, now we write 7 here. 7. Then 8. Numeral 8. Okay, numeral 8 and 9. Okay, follow. These are numbers, and this is 0. This is 0. Right? Followed. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So here, what's the before number of 1? Before 1, 0 will come. After 1, 2 will come. Before 3, 2 will come. After 3, 4 will come. Okay? Here, before 4, 3 will come. After 4, 5 will come. Before 5, 4 will come. After 5, 6 will come. Before 6, 5 will come. After 6, 7 will come. And here, before 7, 6 will come. Before after 7, 8 will come. So like this is before and after, before, after, before, after. So I'll take some set of numbers here. I'll do activity tomorrow. Alright. Till then, take care. Okay. I will explain you the further concepts by next class. Till then, take care and do properly. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.